All right, before we get to Jason, check this out. While a lot or most of us stayed out of the storm yesterday, a Coast Guard crew in Bar Harbor used it as an opportunity for heavy weather training. The Coast Guard defines heavy weather as when wave height is more than 10 feet and winds are gusting over 30 knots. On its Facebook page, the Coast Guard said it was a good experience for new crew members and only a few of them felt a little sick. Well, Jason, it's a very interesting take how we kind of hunkered down. Right. Coast Guard says great opportunity to get some training because we know that they have to get out in those conditions, whatever they may be, to help some folks out.
Braver than me, probably you too.
Yeah, okay. Absolutely. And I know we're going to be talking about this storm for weeks to come, but just tracking some snow on the way.
Yeah, snow on the way, and also just a quick recap of what happened right around the Bar Harbor, Cutler, Calais, Bangor, Eastport area. So the number one there, that's first all time, Bar Harbor and Cutler for the water levels. This is from Wednesday and then again, obviously, on Saturday. So Calais and Bangor number 2 and Eastport came in number 4. I have a blog on newscentermaine.com coming up in a few minutes about this in more detail, but I can show you that the Portland one, although preliminary, is still sitting at the all-time record, being the blizzard of 78. And obviously you had the tide and the surge and everything going on there. So yes, this was a storm that certainly did mean business. I went through all of this once again on our website, and you can go there and check it out. I'm just going to kind of move through and you see what happened there from Dan with the shacks going in. I believe around 93 years they stood, if I'm not mistaken on that. So yes, a piece of history going in. Just to recap this storm, one more time for us here, as we certainly lost a bit there. Now let's get to what's happening with the snow here. Snow showers and squalls. Really, it's mostly squalls. I mean, you see these dark blues. Those are squalls coming through. Let's head up north first around Holton. There's a very nasty squall coming through just east of Patton, also one northwest of Calais. And then here's one coming through Augusta right now, which is going to be in China at 617, Bristol 627, and then Rockland at 650. This one is going to cause some problems on 95 for sure. So watch out. It's very dangerous because the visibility comes down quickly with this. But it's being picked up here that's going to push east off the coast, mid-coast, Penobscot Bay at 7 o'clock through Bar Harbor. And then as that pushes through, it's over with and pretty much done east of Eastport by about 11. So that's when it's going to shut off down east. And then a few snow showers up around the mountains tonight. Not a big deal at all. We clear out and get a bit colder. The wind is no longer southwest. It's more westerly on Monday. So getting to the freezing mark is going to be a challenge. I don't think we get there. A little southwesterly breeze in the afternoon. We have a shot in Rockland, but probably not getting to the freezing mark. And then obviously we turn our eyes to Tuesday. Light snow coming up from the south here. I don't expect this to be a very big deal. The bulk of this storm is offshore. So here's how much snow you can expect. Basically about an inch or two. This is for the Tuesday storm. And then obviously after that, you got to watch out for the ice. Now it's going to be cold enough this week. Gale warning is up. Water temp 42. It's come down a bit. Those seas finally coming down. Tuesday, there's the snow inland. Now, the farther away from the coast you're going to be, the less you're going to have to deal with this snow. It's not any more of a dusting, but the closer to the coast, you're going to get closer to that 2, even I could see 3 inches. And then it's cold and cold enough where you're going to have ice problems. You see more snow on Friday. Right now, that's another ocean storm that just grazes us at most, but a lot of time to fine-tune the forecast.
And Jason, just ahead of tomorrow, Monday morning's commute, you expect black ice to be, just something to keep in mind?
Untreated surfaces, and watch out with these squalls coming through. Yes, certainly, yes, watch out. Yeah.
Very important reminders there, Jason. Thank you.